What is your personal brand at work? Yes, that's what I want to talk about today. I think it's such an important thing, but a lot of times we miss out on talking about it, thinking about it, and being, I would say, proactively working on it. Why is brand even important? The personal brand. Why do you really need to look at it, even talk about it, and do something about it? So stay on right until the end as we talk about your personal brand. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, what is a brand? Look at all those brands that you are loyal to. वो जो भी ब्रांड्स हैं जिनको आप कंज्यूम करते हो, इट कुड बी क्लोथ्स, इट कुड बी योर फूड, इट कुड बी एक्सेसरीज, इट कुड बी योर गैजेट्स, राइट? पीपल स्वेयर बाय सर्टेन ब्रांड्स. वो कुछ ब्रांड्स को लेते हैं, कुछ दूसरों को नहीं लेते हैं. ब्रांड इज रियली अ प्रॉमिस, राइट? वी ऑल नो, बिकॉज I know if I'm buying an Apple, this is what I'm going to get, right? For shoes, if I go for Nike, this is what I'm going to get. So every brand stands for something. It's a promise, it's a given कि ये तो मुझे मिलेगा. You know, this is something I can be assured of. And whatever that brand stands for, I mean, that's the whole perception that I have of that brand. वो Apple सुनते ही मेरे दिमाग में suddenly वो आता है. Right? Same way when it comes to your personal brand at your workplace. What is it about? It is about the moment people think about you, the moment they look at connecting with you, doing something, an assignment with you, or designating something to you, interacting with you, there is a picture that they create basis the experiences that they've had with you. Yeah, so there is an existing brand. आज एक ब्रांड है आपकी, लोग आपको जहाँ से देख रहे हैं, जो भी आपके एक्शंस और बिहेवियर्स हैं, उससे लोगों के जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं, बेसिस दैट they've created in their minds, okay, this is what this person stands for, this is his brand value, right? This is what is a given, right? अगर शैलेश के पास जाओगे तो फॉर श्योर प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन मिलेगा, और ही इज गोइंग टू लिसन टू यू अमेजिंगली वेल. ही विल गिव यू दैट टाइम, एंड ही विल गिव यू दैट टाइम कंप्लीटली, ही विल पुट असाइड एवरीथिंग, So Shailesh's personal brand is all about empathy, is about compassion, listening that he gives always, so those attributes define him. What is the current personal brand that you carry? That's number one. Now, while your habits are defining your actions, behaviors, which in turn impacts your personal brand today. If you're angry, if you yell, if you shout, you don't listen to people, you just want to things to happen your way, तो आपकी पर्सनल ब्रांड वहां से बनेगी. और वो जो ब्रांड लोग कैरी कर रहे हैं, they may want to work with you, they may not want to work with you, they have a certain perception basis that they have certain feeling, and that is what drives them or doesn't drive them. Now, what is that brand, personal brand of yours that you want to create? तो एक तो ब्रांड है जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, बेसिस whatever you are doing today, whoever you are being today. But like for any other brand, organizations, they have their branding strategy. Time, effort, money, everything they put into it, right? और वो प्लान आउट करते हैं कि इस ब्रांड को हम कैसे पोजीशन करना चाहते हैं, क्या हम करेंगे, what will be those activities जिससे कस्टमर ब्रांड को वैसे परसीव करे जैसे हम चाहते हैं. तो there is a strategy in place. And the other important thing is ब्रांड कम्युनिकेट कुछ भी कर रही है, बट अल्टीमेटली जब वो डिलीवर करेगी, दैट इज व्हेन द कस्टमर विल हैव दैट ट्रस्ट, दैट फेथ, दैट यस दे आर वॉकिंग द टॉक. सेम वे आप बोल क्या रहे हो, it doesn't matter much as long as you're not delivering it. If it's not being delivered, if you're not doing what you're saying, if you're not being who you are claiming to be, it doesn't really matter. People are observing, people are watching you, and yes. So I'm not talking about becoming somebody who people want you to, pleasing them. Okay, wow, सबकी नजरों में मैं अच्छा दिखना चाहिए हूँ. No. What I'm talking about is that a certain brand, personal brand that you carry today versus who would you want to be. Because अगर आप अपने career में progress करना चाहते हो, and not just in terms of jumping up the ladder, but even as an individual, if you want to grow, then you need to look at what is the brand that I am today, और अब मैं क्या होना चाहता हूँ. And you've got to create a strategy, a branding strategy for that. And what is that branding strategy in your case? हर बार aware होना कि मैं वापस उन behaviors पे तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I want to be a leader who's loved by everybody. How about your teammates just walk up to you and share with you? How about they're always standing with you? Any problem, whatever it is, they are there. Right? How about they always have your back? How about your boss says, wow, it's such an amazing thing to have you as a leader or you as a part of the team. So it's not about pleasing, but if this is what you want and it is not happening with the current brand that you carry, then there is something that's missing. So you need to look at who you are being, and you also need to look at internally, all that internal work is part of that strategy. You do that internal work and figure out how you're going to really ensure that is implemented. बार बार aware होना, बार बार consciously वही action लेना, going back to it, so that you build the muscle and then you reach a stage where that's the brand that you represent. Yeah. So having your a brand which is in sync with your core values, and yet it is progressive, yet it is something which is forwarding you and those around you. It is in sync with your purpose and your aspirations is what you need to work on. तो एक तरफ वो है जो आप हो, this is who I am, versus adding on to it, मैं चाहता क्या हूँ. तो जो मैं चाहता हूँ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, अपने करियर में, एज अ प्रोफेशनल, एज अ लीडर, wherever I want to be, am I carrying that brand today? What does it entail? What personal brand do I need to be able to reach there, to live that? Yeah, I hope you could get the message and really see through the importance of the personal brand. Yeah. Do reflect upon it. What is your personal brand in your organization, at your workplace, wherever you are, and is it in sync with the brand that you want to be recognized as? अगर नहीं है तो आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होगी? पहले तो वो क्या है, वो ब्रांड क्या होगी जो आप रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हो, जो आप होना चाहते हो, और उसके बाद वहाँ पहुँचोगे कैसे? How would you ensure that yes, this is what it is? So what's the strategy for that? Whatever work it entails doing that work. Yep. If you found this meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.